Welcome to our channel, where today we're diving into the features of the Vitamix 5200 blender, a professional-grade powerhouse designed to elevate your blending experience. With its variable speed control, you can easily adjust the speed to achieve a variety of textures, giving you complete control over your blends. The 64-ounce self-cleaning container is perfect for whipping up medium to large batches, while the radial cooling fan and thermal protection system ensure your blender stays in top condition. Imagine turning cold ingredients into steaming hot soup in just 6 minutes, thanks to the friction heat generated by the high-speed blades. These aircraft-grade hardened stainless steel blades are built to handle even the toughest ingredients, ensuring consistent quality from the first blend to the last. Cleaning is a breeze with its self-cleaning feature. Just add a drop of dish soap and warm water, and your Vitamix will be spotless in 30 to 60 seconds. Included in the box are the motor base, a 64-ounce container, a getting started guide, and a classic tamper, all backed by a 7-year full warranty for peace of mind. Thank you for watching, and if you're interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out on future useful product reviews.